So here is how you can add audio to the VLC video player and the video in there. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So you can get inside the VLC player like this, and let's say I'm gonna click on this random video like here, which was kind of loud actually, right? So let me just dial down the volume. And if I go in here, you can see that once the video is in full screen, you can tap on the bottom right icon, which is for the subtitles. And in here, the subtitles have the ability to select a file and import it to the audio, right? To the clip in here. But the same thing doesn't really apply to the audio section. We could only change the audio delay and change the tracks or switch between the audio tracks. But we seemingly don't have the option to add a new audio track in here. But we have the ability to do so, but using a different app. So outside of the VLC, you also need to download an app which is called this Edit app, right? So I'm gonna definitely link it below in the comments. Let me just show it to you what it would kind of look like, right? So officially, you need to go to the Play Store and look up the MKV, right? It should be the MKV editor slash extractor, right? That is the app you need to get. I'm going to link it below. But the point is that you can open it up like this and essentially add the audio track in here. So I'm going to choose a video from my gallery or from my phone, right? Let's say it's going to be this one right here. And in there, I'm going to switch to the tracks. You can see that I have one video and one audio track, but I can tap on the plus button in there, choose audio, and let's say that I have it available in here. So I'm going to go to a different folder, right? I might have some files in here. So let me just go in here, find some audio file of whatever it might be, right? Let's say it's going to be this one. This way we have the option to add another audio track to this file, right? So I have one video and two audios. And if I click on save, right, I'm going to put it in the alarms folder just so I can find it easily, right? And now it is done and is saved successfully. So if I now find it in here and go to my storage, the alarms, and find the video like this, I'm gonna open it through the VLC player like this. And now in the bottom left corner, you can see that we have two audio tracks, right? So we have one which seemingly is called English, the other one that doesn't really have a name, and that's how I can add an audio track to a VLC video. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Obviously there are some more settings inside of that editor which you can play with, but that was the guide which I wanted to go through in this video. So let me know your thoughts and I'll see you in the next videos as well.